Do you want to learn about personal finance so that you can save money and invest it wisely?
If so, you're in the right place. We're Jared and Amber from Holy City Family. We began our financial independence journey 9 years ago. We became millionaires at 35 and retired at 38. We did this on a $75,000 income with 3 young children. But this is only the beginning.
Here at Holy City Family, we share our journey to financial independence and teach you everything we know about personal finance, showing you how to save money and invest it so that you can rewrite your story and start living the life you love.
We believe that everyone should learn how to use money as a tool that empowers and sets people free, not something that causes stress, anxiety, and fear. Every Monday at 6 p.m., we give personal finance tips and strategies that can save you money and help you invest it wisely. And we became millionaires at the age of 35, and a big part of that is because of the financial norms that we broke. Mint automatically syncs with all of our accounts and categorizes our purchases. Microsoft has unveiled its metaverse project, which is called Microsoft Mesh.
Our home office might look a little different to some. So here's a great chart from groceryquestions.com that shows how some basic products compare in value. In this video, we're going to break down the top 12 holdings in our $1 million stock portfolio with you.
Tip number 1 is use Credit Karma. Credit Karma is a free service that tracks your credit reports with TransUnion and Equifax. It's amazing that you get so many features in this, and it's free. So the great thing about TradingView, it has stunning charts. I think it's the best charting app out there.
Plus, we take you inside our fire journey to inspire you and share our life with you. In addition to our budgeting, saving, and investments in the stock market, we slow flipped houses that we were living in for profit. And in our last 3 houses in the Charlotte area, we made over $150,000 in profit. To make sure you get the latest updates of our YouTube videos, make sure you subscribe to our channel right now.
We'll see you in the next video.